Mm. Mm. Hey Credos! Today I'm going to try out a new product. It's the KOS Organic Superfood Plant Protein, in chocolate of course. I tried their coconut milk powder a few weeks ago and I really like it, so I'm hopeful. There are going to be two parts to my test. First, I'm going to use the powder in a smoothie for my son, and next I'm going to mix it with Greek yogurt as a fruit dip. It's one of my regular high protein snacks, so I'm going to see if it's grainy or good. Here we go. When I make a smoothie, I use whatever I have on hand. Today, it's going to be some very ripe bananas, 3 organic dates, some frozen apricots from our tree, a small squirt of raw honey, some organic unsweetened coconut milk, and 1 nice scoop of protein powder. That's what we're having today. I'm going to add 1 more scoop of the protein powder because that is actually a full serving. Here's the smoothie for my son. I actually had a little taste of my own and it's quite tasty. Next item. 2/3 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 apple sliced, and I'm just going to use 1 scoop of the protein powder, which is half a serving. So that comes to 80 calories. I'm going to mix that in. I think that's plenty for this amount of yogurt. It does take a little effort to stir it in, but one thing I noticed stirring it in, it's not grainy. Some powders are grainy. This one's pretty soft. Obviously, if I was going to serve this, I would put it into a different bowl, but this is just a snack and I'm not going to waste any more dishes. I'm going to read the ingredients in the protein powder because that is significant to me. 2 full scoops, which is 160 calories. And here are the ingredients. I hope I can read them all. KOS Organic Protein Blend, which includes pea protein, flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed protein, chia seed. KOS Organic Superfood Blend, which is coconut milk, inulin, acacia gum, apple, carrot, cranberry, orange, broccoli, shiitake mushroom extract, tomato, alkalized cocoa, coconut sugar, sea salt and natural flavor, stevia leaf extract, monk fruit extract. It also has a vitamin and mineral blend and a digestive enzyme blend, which you could look up if you're interested. Here's my snack. I only used 1 scoop with 2/3 a cup of yogurt. It's quite chocolatey. You could add more, but it's quite chocolatey and it's smooth. It's not grainy or lumpy at all. So, I like it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo. And join us in the Midlife tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with lots of healthy habits.